Bom dia, guys. Believe it or not, we're in Madeira. We have snow on the ground. We started the hike at 6 a.m. heading up to Pico do Arieiro. 10 kilometers hiking because the roads are closed. We're gonna try and get there for sunrise and see Madeira summits full of snow. Very rare moment. We're on our journey. Let's go. Got just about 5 kilometers left. You can see the snow still falling here. A couple of inches of snow and it's getting thicker. I'm not sure what we're about to find at Pico do Arieiro. Snow, this is hail. We're getting battered down. Summer all year in Madeira, they say. So welcome to the summer in November. Can you believe this is the road to Pico do Arieiro? We can already see the satellite. We're just a few hundred meters from the summit, ready to see the whitewash, have a wine and some coffee. Come on, we're almost there. Welcome to Pico do Arieiro. We've made it to the top of Pico do Arieiro. 1800 meters high above sea level, completely covered in snow. We were here 2 days ago wearing no shirt hiking. It's completely whitewashed now, so we're just gonna wait to see if it clears up. It's time to crack open the wine, the coffee, the chocolate, start the day.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, guys.
Woo.
Snow day.
Tropical, like, why?
Oh, crazy! Madeira! Things are getting a little bit crazy up here. Lightning just struck the tower. That's why we were freaking out. Starting to snow pretty heavy. So we've decided that we're gonna head back down. It doesn't look like it's breaking, so no great landscapes in the snow, but we're gonna make the journey down before we get stuck up here and have to build an igloo. So, let's go. Running down the mountain, 8 kilometers to go, and it's raining. Bring back the snow. We've made it back to the parking lot where we started this morning in the dark. It was 20 kilometers hike with 900 meters climb and obviously 900 meters descent. It's a bit sunny down here now, but we had some crazy conditions at different parts through the hike, but we're looking forward to a coffee and a soup right now. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video. Thanks for your support. More Madeira vlogs coming soon.